Said I'm living my best life. Said I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned on my L's in the left.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Yaya's Corner, and in today's video I'm giving you guys an updated straight hair routine. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post a new video, and let's just get straight into this. So the first product I'm starting off with is my Red Can Anti-Snap. I love using this as a leave-in. It has protein in it, so it's going to help make your hair stronger for the blow drying process, and it makes your hair 10 times easier to blow dry as well, and it helps give your hair some moisture. So I'm going to go ahead, pump that into my hand and rub it throughout my hair. And also I did use the shampoo and conditioner from this line as well. They work really good together to help straighten your hair. So next I'm going in with my Kenra blow dry spray. This cuts down the blow dry time in half. Really helpful product. So I'll go ahead and I take a section of hair, spray it, comb that through, and then I'm going to go in with my Conure blow dryer that I've been using for years now. I think you can find this product at CVS, and I'm going to go ahead and just blow dry through that section of hair that I did. And I always work in sections when I straighten my hair because I do have thick, coarse hair, so it is hard for me to blow dry or even straighten my hair, so I always have to work in sections. So here I'm grabbing another section, spraying the blow dry spray, combing it through, and I'm just going to blow dry the section, and then I repeat this process all over my hair until I'm done, and work in as big sections as you need to. And this is the final result of it being blow dried, and we're going to move into the straight hair process. So I do have this flat iron. I believe it's the Babyliss Pro flat iron. I did get this from Ulta, and I'm just taking this little rat tail comb, and I'm taking a little clip to help section hair as well, and I comb through the section first. I try to work in teeny sections. It's helpful, and I do the chase method on my hair. So as you can see, this is in real time how slowly I go through the strand of hair. The slower you go, it helps to get the hair more straight. So that's the first section done, and then I'm just going to take, I'm going to run through the hair one more time. I try to go over my roots about 3 times and then the actual length of the hair twice, taking another small section, running it through, doing the chase method, and going over it twice. And yeah, I go slowly with the back of my hair. My hair overall probably takes about a good 2 to 3 hours to straighten, depending on how slow I go. So once again, and here I was pissed off because I forgot to use my spray. This is my heat protectant spray, and it also helps add shine to my hair, so I was pissed that I forgot to add it. So on this next section I'm gonna use it. It's by Fantasia IC. It's their heat protectant spray. You can usually find it at any beauty supply store, and I think also Target sells it. So I spray that on the section first, and then I do the chase method. So I like to go all the way around my head, like I'll part going around, so it makes it easier for when I do straighten my hair. And then I'm just spraying on that spray, working in small sections, and I just straighten my hair. So once again, chase method, and the steam you see is basically from that heat protectant. And yeah, I just keep working all the way around. 2 passes through is pretty good to get my hair straight. And also I do have my flat iron on 400 degrees. This one does go up to 450, but you know, I'm not trying to get any heat damage. And after I did wash my hair, I kept it straight for 2 weeks, and after I washed it, I had no heat damage, which is good. So that's half of the hair done, and we're gonna move on to the top of the head. So I usually like to split it down the middle and do a middle part. And yeah, I'm gonna put a section away, and I usually work in smaller sections towards the front because I like it to look as perfect as I can. The front of your hair is basically the area that a lot of people look at, and you want to make sure it's as flat as possible, as straight as possible, so that it can look good. So I'm just going through and, you know, flat ironing away. And I really like this flat iron. I feel like it's really good for people with coarser hair. And then at the end, I do like to make sure my middle part is perfected, and that's pretty much all I do for my hair. These are my final results. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel as well. And yeah, this is the end of it. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.
Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never